A very good morning to all my lovely Patayans. So I'm back with your computer class and I hope you all are enjoying your computer class. So in the last class we have completed chapter 9 Internet. Today we are going to do its exercise, book exercise. So everyone take out your books and open chapter 9 exercise and keep your stationery ready with you. So now we are going to start the book exercise. Okay, let's start now. So this is the book exercise. Write down date here. Date is 1st Feb 2021. Classwork. Okay, so everyone has to write the date in your book. Okay, just write the date 1.2.21, or you can write like this also. Now first we'll do the fill in the blanks. Hints are given to you. Okay, so you have to give the answer. Those who know the answer, they can raise hand and everyone try to give the answer. Okay, first is internet is a large network of dash. Internet large network है किसका? You can see the options here: home page, computers, email, web browser. So what will be the answer? Yes, tell me. Yes, the answer is computers. Very good. So in the first fill up, everyone will write computers. Okay. Now come to the second. Dash is the first page you see when you open a website. So whenever you open any of the website, the first page that you see, what we call it, जब भी आप कोई भी वेबसाइट ओपन करते हो और आपको जो फर्स्ट पेज उस वेबसाइट का नज़र आता है, उस पेज को हम क्या कहते हैं? your options are home page, email, web browser. So what will be the answer? Yes, Ansh, very good. The answer is home page. So in the second fill up, everyone write down home page. Be careful about the spellings. You can see the spelling from the hints. Now coming to the third, Dash is a special software that helps to access the information available on the web. So which special software help us to access the information? Email or web browser? Yes, Tanvi, very good. The answer is web browser. वेब ब्राउज़र ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जो हमें हेल्प करता है इंफॉर्मेशन तक पहुंचने में. ओके. फोर्थ इज़ वी कैन सेंड मैसेजेस एंड लेटर्स थ्रू डैश. सो ओनली वन इज़ लेफ्ट. दैट ओनली विल बी द आंसर ऑफ दिस. सो द आंसर इज़ email. We can send messages and letters through email. So everyone complete it fast. Then we'll move to second part. Write true or false for the following statements. First is internet is also called net. इंटरनेट को हम नेट भी बोलते हैं. इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? यस चैतन्य, वेरी गुड. द आंसर इज ट्रू. सो राइट डाउन कैपिटल टी इन द फर्स्ट बॉक्स. जर्नली हम इंटरनेट के बजाय हम क्या कहते हैं? नेट ऑन कर दो, नेट नहीं चल रहा है. वी यूज़ द वर्ड नेट. Now come to the second one. www.google.com is not a search engine. क्या www.google.com सर्च इंजन नहीं है? Yes, Devik. Very good. The answer is false. क्योंकि www.google.com is a search engine. वो एक सर्च इंजन है. Now come to the third. A website consists of files or documents containing information called web pages. I repeat, a website consists of files or documents containing information called web pages. Is it true or false? वेबसाइट पे क्या होते हैं? वेबसाइट इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ वेब पेजेस और उन वेब पेजेस पे क्या होती है? आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है. ओके, सो दिस इज Yes, tell. Who will tell the answer? Yes, Arav. Very good. The answer is true. So write down capital T in the third box. Now come to the fourth one. Home page is not the first page of a website. Is it true or false? हमने अभी ऊपर किया था. In the fill-ups we have just done now. Home page is the first page you see when you open a website. You can see here. So what will be the answer of this? Home page is not the first page of a website. So what will be the answer? Yes, now everyone is raising the hand. So it is false. Home page is the first page of a website. Okay. Now come to the match the following. First is www.wikipedia.com. Then we have Google Chrome, website, home page, collection of related web documents, main page of any website, search engine, web browser. So everyone, these are very easy. So do it by yourself. खुद से करो, then we'll discuss. So first is www.wikipedia.com. What will be the answer of this? Yes, tell. Yes, think everyone. Yes, Yash. Search engine. Very good. The answer is search engine. So write here 1. Now come to the second one, Google Chrome. Yes, Rachit. Yes, very good. It is a web browser. So write down number 2 here. Now the third one, website. So website अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था ट्रू फॉल्स में. Yes, Arnav. Collection of related web documents. Very good. So write down number 3 here. Now last is home page. 2 times already we have done. This is the third time it is coming here. So the answer is, yes, the answer is, only one is left. Then this is only the answer of this, main page of any website. किसी भी website का main page or first page. So do it fast and come to the fourth part. Write one word for the following. So first is network of computers. Computers के network को हम क्या बोलते हैं? What we call it? What is the term we use? What is this chapter? Yes, everyone. Very good. Internet. So in the first one we'll write internet. Okay. Now come to the second one. An example of a web browser. वेब ब्राउज़र का कोई भी एक एग्जाम्पल आपको देना है. Yes, many hands are there. Yes, everyone. Okay, so who will give the answer of this question? किससे पूछें? So many hands are there. Okay, Lakshika. Yes, what will be the answer? Chrome. It's right. The answer is right, but you will not just say Chrome. यहाँ पे आपसे एग्जाम्पल पूछे तो आप पूरा कंप्लीट आंसर दोगे. गूगल क्रोम. अगर आप एग्ज़ाम में ऐसे लिखोगे योर मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. सो आपको कंप्लीट नेम लिखना है, गूगल क्रोम. सो यहाँ पे आप गूगल क्रोम भी लिख सकते हैं. You can also write Microsoft Internet Explorer. You can also write Microsoft Edge. You can also write Mozilla Firefox. You can write Apple Safari. So आप इनमें से कोई भी लिख सकते हैं. But you need to be write complete name. Microsoft Internet Explorer. Okay. कोई भी नाम आप लिख सकते हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट मोजिला फायरफॉक्स, एप्पल सफारी, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन, एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ सर्च इंजन. सर्च इंजन का एक आपको कोई भी एक एग्जाम्पल देना है. सो हेयर ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट एनी out of, as I told you that the most famous search engines are Google, Yahoo and Bing. So इनमें से आप कोई भी एक नाम लिख सकते हो. I am writing all three: Yahoo, Google and Bing. Okay. Now fourth is collection of related web document. Just now we have done in the match the following: collection of related web document, that is website. So we'll write here website. Okay, so everyone complete it fast. If anyone is having any doubt in this exercise or related to chapter 6, you can ask. And tomorrow get ready, you are having the CT of chapter 6. If anyone is having any query, any question, then you can ask. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to do the worksheet, revision worksheet of chapter 6. तो आपकी रिवीजन भी हो जाएगी, ठीक है, और कि हम डिस्कस भी करेंगे अच्छे से चैप्टर को. अगर किसी को कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप अभी भी पूछ सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो आस्क टुमारो. ओके, सो जस्ट कंप्लीट इट this exercise in your computer book, page number 84. Okay, so till then, take care. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.